Hello guys! Today we are going to make some modifications in our Jarvis project. After these modifications, our Jarvis will be capable of giving the replies of questions like how are you, who created you, who made you, etc. So let's get started. Let us make a elif loop. Uh, for example, if the user says how are you, then our Jarvis should reply I'm fine, thank you. Next, it should also ask how are you, sir? Next, you can make a variable command equals to take command. Next, if fine, if the user replies fine in command, then Jarvis should speak. It's good to know you are fine. It's good to know that you are fine. Nice. Next, if then the user might ask who created you? Then a Jarvis should speak I have been created by Iron Man and modified by, this is my name, Adrito. Let's add another thing, or who made you? Inquiry. Then it should reply the same thing. Next, we make another elif loop, and let's if the user asks what is your name, then our Jarvis should reply okay, my friends call me. Next, it should speak its name, assistant name, and next, if the user asks that he can change the name or not, then a Jarvis should reply what would you like to call me, sir? What would you like to call me, sir? Then okay, let's okay, it's make a variable assistant, the variable assistant name, this will be this. Okay, now speak Thank you for naming me sir. Next, if the user speaks, exit. Then our Jarvis should speak. Thanks for giving me a time. Thanks for giving me your time. Next, it should exit. Fine. Now, let us use the PyJokes module to enable our Jarvis to tell some jokes. If elif joke in query, then jokes equals to PyJokes dot get joke, round brackets, and it should print the jokes. Next, it should speak the jokes too. Okay, let's check it once. Okay, just a second. Okay, let's start. I just run the command. Just wait for a moment. Let Jarvis load the thing. Wait a second. Okay, we have to write below task execution. Now,
so bye. Please like, comment and share this video and subscribe our channel. So have a nice day. Bye.